Friday, cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the morning. Then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Not as warm with highs in the mid-60s. West winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 50%.
A short-term forecast. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Defiance County, northeastern Huntington County and northeast Indiana, southeastern Whitley County and northeast Indiana, northern Allen County and northeast Indiana, southeastern Delaware County and northeast Indiana until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This severe storm was located 8 miles northwest of Fort Wayne and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was developing southwest of the storm in northeast Huntington County. Locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Huntertown, Clawville and Garrett, Auburn, Hicksville, Butler, Fort Wayne. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Erie, Laredo, Butler Center, St. John's, Leo, Cedarville, Cuba, Harlan, Spencerville, Georgetown, Concord, St. Joe and more. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for northern Indiana and southwest Michigan. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Defiance County, Ohio,